It's November 2022. The furnace was kicking on but not staying on. So I removed these tubes. There's one there and one back there. Clean them out, make sure they're not clogged up because there was water in the bottom here. So it was leaking down in here where there's all that rust. This tube right here, I cleaned out and put right there, but I don't know what that tube is for. I think it's, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it goes there. Shit. Here's a switch. Turn this off when you're working on stuff. And then the most important thing is I cleaned the igniter, which the flame sensor, not the igniter, which is right here. You take this out, the screw out, you take this out. It's a little bar in there that senses the flames. Take that out, clean it off till it's shiny metal with a Brillo, put it back on. The switch up here is to turn the furnace off and on, note to self.